Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Drive tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to use Google Drive offline without using internet. Even if the internet is available on your PC, you can work with some of file in your Google Drive offline without using internet. Let me show you how. Right now, this my drive here is on internet mode. I'm going to go ahead and switch to offline mode. For that, what we want to do is to make sure we come to the top right here, go ahead and click on ready for offline, and then make sure you turn on this particular button, offline preview, and just like so, you can see offline preview turn on right here. So if you come back here, you find out that it has returned. Now here, you can work with some of the file offline. So go ahead and click on any of the file, like this docs file right here. You can click on these three dots right here, and I can go ahead and open the file with docs, or better still, you can make file available offline. So if I go ahead and click on docs right here, it's going to open the file and the content I have in the file. So if I click on this file also, I can click on these three dots right here, open with docs, or better still, make the file available offline. So if I go ahead and click on open with docs, and I go ahead and click on open with docs right here, you find out that the file is going to be successfully open, and I can still work with this particular file right here without using internet. So I'm going to close this tab, and then you have done. So you can select, let me say for instance, I select this particular file, and then I can decide to make a whole completely file offline. So for that, go ahead and click on these three dots right here, and then make sure you simply switch to make available offline. Once you click on make available offline, you find out that this icon is existing right here, which simply means that this file here, even if I open up my Google Drive without internet, I can easily open the file and edit one or two things from the file, and the file will automatically save uh, in the folder right here. So you can go on like this particular access sheet right here, and click on these three dots right here, open file. You can see it is available offline with Google Sheet, or better still, I can make it completely offline available. However, you need to bear in mind that some of the apps that will not be available in your drive offline is PDF. You have PDF and you click on this you can see some of the options here are not available. So these are the files that you need to use internet with. But with Google Docs, Google Sheets, and some other Google apps, you can easily use them offline in your Google Drive. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Drive or PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.